Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tankers. And today is a special day. Not because I'm going to be doing a buddy build with this Ford Model A pickup truck with motorcycle in it. Well, yeah, the buddy build is kind of fun because this will be my first one. But it's who it's with. It'll be with Tiffany from Dirt Road Cinderella. I'm sure if you watch my channel, you've seen her mentioned a bunch of times, and you're probably already a subscriber to Tiffany. And today's her birthday. We're going to start this buddy build on her birthday. So, happy birthday, Tiffany. You're a wonderful gal, and thank you for being my friend. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being my friend, Tiffany. But since she's built this kit a number of times, and I haven't, we're going to take a few minutes and go through this kit. It's got over 200 pieces, including this motorcycle. And I have no idea what's inside because I've never built it. So, give me a minute. I'll probably throw a sponsor thing or something here, and we're going to look at this bit, at these parts, and see what's in here so I can get some ideas. Because if Tiffany's building one, you know it's going to look good.
Whether you're painting model cars, armor, big rigs, t-shirts, or even people, Gallery has the right products for you. Don't forget to use code PAPPYTINKERS at checkout for 10% off.
Alright, welcome back. You guys can see that this is all sealed. So, I am not starting this just yet. Let's go ahead and open this. I really don't have any direction of which way I want to go with this, because I've never built one and never seen what's inside of this thing before, and I've got very little experience building kits that are this old as well. Let's see, it looks like two different body types. Yeah, there's one, and there is a second, so I can make this a convertible right off the bat, more like a roadster. Alright. We got some motorcycle tires. Luckily they aren't warped and misshapen. That's nice. Metal axle and a couple pins. Pie cutter back wheels and skinnier ones for the front. Where's all these options come from? Oh wow, that's a lot of chrome in here. Well, alright, let's give me just a second to open up these bags. Let's see, we got some decals here. Decal the wooden thing, some script letters, some gauges, the white wall tires, pinstripes that I think these are supposed to be for the truck, and maybe some smaller ones for the motorcycle. The motorcycle is going to be all one tree, all one chrome tree. The handlebars, the chain, the frame, the tank, the engine halves, the seats chrome, fenders. A lot of this is going to have to get stripped, I think. I know. But that's okay. It's pretty hard to find 25th scale motorcycles anyways, so yeah, I'll take it. I don't care if I have to strip most of it. It does have a couple decals for the tank, just in case you don't want a chrome tank. And with all the miles I put on a motorcycle, I do not want a chrome tank. Kind of looking like a 4 or 6 cylinder engine in it. You hear Tyrone back there, barky growling. 1, 2, 3, 4 cylinder. Clear glass templates. I did not see any glass in there. It has a convertible top. Different options for the hood, whether you want it completely open or you want to go with the half hood or the completely surrounded hood. I don't know. We'll have to check this out. So let's look at these parts. It's Revell, so I'm expecting decent. The bed is textured with a nice wood grain, if you can see this. See, we got steering column, transmission, engine head, block halves, transmission half, separate tailgate, little two-bladed fan. That's pretty cool. Oh, it has a just clear piece of plastic for the windshield. You have to cut out your own windshield pattern. Keep that in mind if you've never done it before. It's not too terribly hard. Use a sharp knife and go slow. And stay on the cutting board like this. A clean one. Because if you got a bunch of little things on this as you're cutting it out, you're going to put scratches and divots in it just from not having a clean board. Oh, I'm toughing everything. We got the frame. Looks like 2 different dashboards. Stock exhaust. Maybe front grill? Front radiator thing? Fender assembly, seats, hood halves. It's got opening doors that I've heard can be rather fiddly. 1, 2, 3 sets of door handles. I imagine, I think some of those might be cranks. I think this might be the inner roof panel. I'm not positive because it's got wood grain texturing in it, but it's also got a bunch of sinkholes in it, which should make painting it interesting. The hood halves, doors for convertible or more like a roadster, or if you went the tall cab. I've heard the hinges could be fiddly. Did I undersay that? Well, if I said it once, now I'm saying it again. The chrome pieces. We have our Kragers. chrome headlights, chrome license plate, 4-cylinder zoomy exhaust, backs of the rims for the chrome, 2 different front ends. One will be lowered, I'm sure. Brake details, brake backings. It looks like a combination of good and not so good parts. Here we have the like the old style headlights, but it looks like these would be the chrome lenses for it. So why would you have 2 pieces and no real clear headlights? Cutting a perfect circle around for headlights. Oh man, I don't want to think about that. Luckily, I'm filming this a little bit before August 20th, so that I have some ideas and some plans on what to go through. Alright, there it is. This is that kit. Alright, here it is, the 29 Ford Model A pickup with chopper. A lot of pieces, a lot of chrome to strip, and make sure you stay tuned for the updates to see what both me and Tiffany do. There will be a link to her channel, like I always do. Oh, look at that, the fishtail exhaust on these. If you've never been on a bike with the fishtail exhaust, it's loud, very loud. Alright, that's it for this video. Head on over to Tiffany's channel, watch her introduction, tell her happy birthday, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tankers.